how to connect AirPods to Android or iPhone. So hello guys, in this quick video I will tell you how I will connect that AirPod to my Android or iPhone mobiles. So for that we will simply go to that AirPod case. So you will simply open that AirPod case. So I will open it. After opening case of your AirPods, you will simply remove the headphones. Now I will go to my inbuilt screen. Here you guys will simply go to Bluetooth in your Android or iPhone. So I will simply go to Bluetooth. Now I will simply turn on it. Once you on it, you guys will see the AirPod name. For example, my phone have this AirPod name as Gravity. Your AirPods can any name. So once you guys see there, simply you will click on that. And you need to wait for some seconds. So I will wait for some seconds. After waiting for some seconds, your AirPods will be connected. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching. Like,